was found near the victim's body. It seems like we're getting closer to solving the case, but there's still a lot to uncover. The breakthrough comes when we discover a hidden safe in Richard's office. Inside, we find a note that reveals a shocking twist. Richard was not who he seemed to be. He was actually an undercover agent who had been investigating a larger crime syndicate. This changes everything. The killer might not have been motivated by personal gain, but by a desire to silence Richard. In summary, we've explored a complex whodunit case involving a wealthy businessman, a list of suspects, and some intriguing clues. We've followed a trail of evidence that led us to a surprising twist. So, what do you think? Who do you think killed Richard? Do you have any theories or suspects that we haven't considered? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this mystery, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll be solving another puzzling case.